This could be the next Bittensor TAO, the next Fed, or the next big AI player. This is day 2 of our altcoin spotlight, and today we're going to talk about KIP Protocol. This week we're presenting one microcap altcoin every day, so make sure to subscribe to not miss out on any of our altcoin gems. The reason I chose this project is because it's launching today, the 10th of December 2024, and I want you to be early and understand what this project is all about. What is KIP Protocol? KIP Protocol enables you to tokenize, manage, and monetize your knowledge. Now, what does that mean? Imagine you're a PhD student who just wrote a masterpiece thesis on nuclear fusion technology. Now, instead of just having this locked away in academic journals, you want to share your knowledge with the world while also benefiting from it. You can turn your knowledge thesis into a knowledge asset by KIP Protocol. By minting an NFT or an SFT, your thesis becomes a digital asset on the blockchain. Now, you can decide who can access your work. Maybe you offer a free access to the abstract but charge for the full document or detailed data assets. You could even set up different levels of access where students pay less than industry professionals, for example. Every time someone queries or uses your data for their research or applications whatsoever, they pay in KIP tokens. This could be for each download, each use in an AI model, or as part of a subscription model where users pay for ongoing access to updates or new data. In a world where AI is growing and knowledge is crucial, ownership and incentivization of this knowledge remains kind of blurry, and that's what KIP Protocol is solving. $KIP is the token. It is used for transacting within the ecosystem to use apps and knowledge assets. Governance, basically you have a direct say in the evolution of the KIP protocol and the project. And you can also allocate it to a project. There is a KIP starter launchpad where you can invest into projects that have growth potential. Who is behind this? CEO is Julian Pei, over 20 years of experience, co-founded and led multiple ventures. Chief AI Officer is Dr. Jennifer Dodgson, has a PhD, 10 years of experience in AI, worked already with the CEO before. Head of Growth is Lisa Zhu, 17 years of experience, worked at HSBC, multiple leadership roles. Chief Operating Officer Teo Yun Hao. Now check this out, investor in Animoca Brands. I already told you yesterday how much I love Animoca Brands. Then investor in Eigenlayer, investor in WorldCoin, both billion-dollar projects, co-founded 2 companies, now COO at KIP Protocol. On paper, the team is probably one of the most experienced out there, no doubt. KIP Protocol, around 200 million fully diluted valuation, not exactly the microcap you might be expecting, but technically still a microcap. And at the time of the recording, I don't see the market cap, but according to CryptoRank.io, there should be around 1.49 billion tokens out of 10 billion tokens circulating. And there is a Gate.io price chart which indicates KIP is trading around 0.02 cent. So technically that should be around 30 million in market cap right now. I want to also mention that KIP Protocol tried to raise less money to keep the fully diluted valuation low. They raised in total 5 million from various ventures like Tribe Capital and Animoca Brands, as I mentioned. Still, there are a lot of unlocks over the next 2.5 years that will suppress the price, so you need to be aware of that. Right now we are still looking good. The investor unlocks only start from March 2025, so until then I wouldn't worry too much. After that you need to pay attention, or you might want to consider this a long-term hold, which I think could be a great bet given the potential this project has. Apparently they're also already making revenue, according to many expos at least, so don't take my word on this, please double check that. According to AIXBT, they are also integrated with Argentinian government AI initiatives and have over 30 partnerships already. According to their own reports, over 5 million users and over 50k developers. What are potentially risks? Like with everything in AI, how will regulations evolve? Then, how will adoption look like or continue? If it doesn't meet expectations, things could look very differently for the price and the market cap. And lastly, of course, the upcoming unlocks, like with any project where investors are involved. They tried to keep the FTV low as mentioned, but still, where investors are involved, unlocks are not far. So keep an eye on that. Overall, I think the project looks very promising. I have a hard time figuring out where this is gonna go price-wise, given that the FDV is already at 250 million. I think in the long run, this will evolve into a $1 billion project, which technically would be a 5x if all tokens were circulating. But given that only 15% apparently are circulating, we could see a 10x or more in the short run. If in the next months market cap goes to 300 million, that could be around a 10x. And remember, crypto loves new shiny horses, and crypto loves especially new shiny horses in shiny narratives like AI. So this could be huge. And that's about it. This is not your typical deep dive like our usual honest reviews, but a quick research, a quick vetting, a quick understanding of the project. And this is my personal opinion. I gave you enough information to do your own research. So take a look for yourselves, but please do your own research. What do you think? Do you think KIP Protocol has the potential to become a $1 million project? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.